Did you know your body can hit 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, completely against your will? That's a sneeze, and you have no say in it. It starts with that creeping itch deep in your nose. You freeze. Your face scrunches like you just smelled something horrible. Then your whole body locks up, your lungs fill to max capacity, and your brain goes offline. For 1 full second, you are not in charge. Your eyes slam shut automatically. You cannot stop that. Nobody can. Then the noise comes out. Whatever noise that is, yours specifically. Welcome to the sport you never signed up for.